and watch me going to suffer with the level 4 spicy chicken. Alright, I'm in the restaurant now, so you can see the self kiosk here. Let's see what they have in promo section. Dino ice cream, wow. What else they have? Combo favorite fire. Yeah, this is what I want to try. Combo 1 fire chicken. Let me go for. Should I go for 1 chicken or 2 chicken? Let's try 2 chicken. Right, and level 4 chicken or BBQ sauce, yes, cheese sauce, yeah, pink lava, additional renegade, and I want to try free cheesy creation. And next section is add to cart, and I want to try the dino ice cream, but should I? Because this chicken itself is too much ready for me. 2 chicken, confirm order. Let me try how much it costs. So already take combo 2 fire chicken level 4. Confirm order. So surprised to see Rich's factory here is so empty, because in Cal this restaurant always pack and then you have to wait in queue to be seated, but here the restaurant is so empty. I think the people here don't know yet the taste of the chicken. So I already put my gadgets all on charge. Okay, thank God there is a power socket here in this restaurant, so I already put all my gadgets on charge and already collect my chicken. So this is my chicken. Chicken. What chicken? Okay, the chicken is die here. It's a level 4 spicy chicken. Let me take out my cap because I want to show you how I'm going to suffer with this spicy. So you're going to watch me while I'm eating. Okay, don't go anywhere. Watch me. So let's see what this is. So this is a pink lava tea. So actually it's a syrup. Yeah. And then cheesy sauce, mashed potato, coleslaw, and then mushroom cheese soup. This is a chicken. Let me wash my hand. Okay, let's start. Already wash my hand. Okay, need to make sure the water oil is heavy. Okay. Go slow. Mashed potato. Okay. Let me mix it first. When I eat a KFC mashed potato, it looks smooth. But here, the mashed potato is look thick. Not as smooth like KFC one. I can feel the spicy from first bite. Wow. The chicken taste is very good. It's really nice with the cheese sauce. Oh my god, it's so spicy. My head starts to get sweat. So I complete the first chicken. Now going to second one. Actually, the chicken is not spicy. The sauce they apply on top of the chicken, it's very spicy. They call it atom sauce. There is another sauce, nuclear sauce, but I don't know which one I choose. Once in mouth get directly done because of the spicy. I can't even talk. The second piece come with the big bones. I don't like bones. So it's finished. Alright, already done the spicy challenge and also took my lunch. So Rich's Factory is my lunch for today. And what else? Let's resume back our walk. Left another 1 hour 20 minutes for me to reach Terminal Ferry. We still have plenty of times because it's a 1.5 hour walk. But the ferry to Batam is at 6 p.m. So now time check is 1:15. So there I was, walking towards Pasir Gudang Terminal when the weather suddenly turned against me. The skies darkened, the wind picked up, and it became clear I couldn't keep going on foot. Without wasting any time, I decided to try hitchhiking. And wouldn't you know it, a kind Indian man pulled over and offered me a ride to the terminal. As we drove, we struck up a little conversation. He seemed friendly enough, but then his expression changed when I casually mentioned I was traveling alone to Batam. "You are going alone?" he asked, eyes wide. I nodded, but he didn't seem convinced. "Are you sure?" he pressed. I repeated myself once, twice, 3 times before he finally believed me. Curious, I asked why he was so surprised. That's when he chuckled and shared something that caught me off guard. Apparently, Batam is like a Thailand for Singaporeans, a popular spot with a bit of reputation. It was an interesting ride, to say the least, and by the time we reached the terminal, I was already seeing my trip in a whole new light. So he told me that need to check in first everything, then only can go. He's surprised that I'm traveling alone to Batam. I don't know why he's surprised that, and then he asked me to be careful. I don't know the meaning for that also. Alright, Namba and Nanbis, I already bought the ticket to Harbour Bay from Pasir Gudang Jetty to Harbour Bay. So I'm oiling the passport and boarding pass now. The boat at 6 p.m. So now time check is going to be 4 o'clock. So 2 hours only left. So I'm going to take some rest, charge my gadgets, everything, make sure everything is a full charge because I need to go find a hotel or some more. Let me charge, let me fresh up and then get some rest. Okay, finally I'm going to take ferry now to Harbour Bay. Bye-bye Malaysia and hello Indonesia. I'm on the way. Quite excited. I'm walking to the ferry now. First time, so I don't know where it's leading. I'm just asking the people and where to go. Just pass the immigration, everything, and then thank God everything went smooth. I can see the sea now. I can see the ferry. Okay, I think this is the ferry that's going to bring me to Indonesia. Dolphin. Yes, my Dolphin 05. Dolphin 5. Yeah, I can see the ferry name. Wow. It looks so beautiful. It is a free seating, so I can sit anywhere. So I sit just at the corner beside the window, so I can view I can see all the views. I think better I move one seat front because this one blocking my view. Yeah. full view, not any disturbance. Yeah, so the seat feel a bit not too comfy, cannot lean back, must sit straight. So for the next 2 hours I have to sit like this straight. I think it's going to bring me my back pain again. Hope so it didn't bring my back pain, then I cannot enjoy this vacation. Yeah, so let's wait. We already on the moving. I think I sit on top of the engine because I can feel the vibrate of the acceleration. The view is really, really beautiful. Yeah. So finally coming to Indonesia. Hello Indonesia. This is Arnold from Travelvlog. See you on next video.